Hi and welcome to another quick tutorial. Let's import some actions into Photoshop. To import actions, click on the actions icon over here. And if you don't have this icon, make sure that you go to Window and click these actions over here. Okay, and now just go to up here and click Load Actions. And find your action, it's over here of course, and click Load. To run it, just choose one of the action, for example this vintage leak, and click this play button. And you will have this nice effect. And this is it, thanks for watching, please subscribe to my channel and see you in some other video. Bye bye!